Hi YouTube, it's more caffeine and it's just me here today, and I look really bad because I am so tired. Okay, so don't blame me. And it's midnight. 1 minute past midnight, that's pretty cool. Yeah, anyway, sorry for the lack of videos. There will be some on the 22nd of July, and hopefully a bit before that, because I'll keep you updated with some different things and stuff. And I might sing a few songs by myself. So yeah, G-L-E-E, G-L-E-E. Yeah, I mean, she's meant to say a little bit, but she ain't here. That's right, she ditched me. Got some salt and pepper shakers. Yeah. One, two, three, four, five. I just caught a fish line. Ooh. Kinda just sprayed some pepper. Anyway. Oh crap, that's salt. I just sprayed salt on my computer. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. I did let it go because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Woo! Yeah, my little musical instrument. Anyway, yeah, subscribe, comment, rate, and add as a friend. Add me as a friend. Well, add us as a friend. Okay, so